Are you struggling to fall asleep? This simple 111 Hz 24 practice will help calm your nervous system, relax your body, and guide you into restful sleep. 111 Hz is grounding frequency. It soothes the nervous system, slow brain activity, and prepare your body for rest. To activate the tuning fork, gently strike the tuning fork against a rubber activator or your knee. Hold the fork by the stem, not the bar, to remain the vibration. Place it on the point. Take slow deep breath in and out. Repeat a few times. Wait until the vibration stops before strike again. By placing it on the key pressure points, you will feel tension melts away and sleep naturally takes over. Find a quiet, comfortable place. Sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a slow breath in and out. Let activate the tuning fork and begin. Strike the tuning fork and place it in the center of your chest. Let the vibration spread through your body. This helps relax your heart, deepen your breath, and ease any tension in your chest. The menstrual process is the bony area behind your ear. It's connected to your vagus nerves, which control relaxation and stress response. By place the fork behind your ear on the bony part, feel the gentle hum working deep into your nervous system, signaling your body to relax. Move to the base of your skull. This area holds tension from daily stress. Let the vibration soften these tight muscles and quiet the mind. Finally, bring the fork to the bottom of your foot. This point is deeply grounding. Feel your energy settle as your body prepares for deep, restful sleep. Now, just listen. Let the last vibrations fade as you breathe. Slow. Feel your body getting heavier, your thought quieter, and sleep washing over you. You can repeat this practice for 5 to 10 minutes or as long as it feels good. With each breath, with each vibration, you're deeper into relaxation. As you wind down, remember those last few moments before you fall asleep and the very first moment when you wake up. Those are powerful. That's when your heart is open, your mind is soft, and your soul is listening. When fear is quiet and faith is loud, this is when God can speak to your heart. So, before you drift off, place your hand over your heart and say something gentle like, Lord, I trust you. I release this day to you. Fill my dreams with peace and healing. And when you wake up tomorrow, don't rush. Keep your eyes closed for just one more breath and whisper, Father God, thank you for another day. Guide my thoughts, my steps, and my heart. Let the healing you started tonight carry into the morning. Good night, my friend.